In this video we are going to discuss the practical number 4. So for the practical number 4, so initially you want to prepare the table like this: year, month, item, weight, value, and the Sri Lankan race, and the pounds and euro and the dollars. So like this table you want to prepare. So then thereafter, so we are going to calculate these values. So finally subtotal 1, subtotal 2, subtotal 3. So finally we are going to calculate the grand total. So here the dollar value and the euro value and the pounds values are given here. So based on these value we are going to calculate this amount. Okay, so here so initially you want to prepare the table like this. So then after that, then the weight and values are given here. So normally these values are in the Sri Lankan amount. So then thereafter equal the weight into this value, enter. So then track here, the similar way you can track here. Okay, so after that the subtotal. So subtotal you can calculate like this. So here these values, then auto sum. Okay, so then track up to this level. So then subtotal 2, make it bold. Subtotal 1 also make it bold. Then subtotal 3, make it bold. So grand total means subtotal 1 plus subtotal 2 plus subtotal 3. So you can see here the E6, E11, E16, that is grand total. So drag and drop like this. Okay, so now for the pounds. So for the pounds, here this value divided by the given value 52.53. 52.53, then enter. Euro equal Sri Lankan value divided by the given euro value is 53.53, 52.53, enter. There is a small mistake here. The pounds value is 122. Here we want to change 122 like that. Then dollar is equal Sri Lankan value divided by dollar amount 85, enter. Play bold. So these symbols mean this space is not enough. So if you want to increase this space, of that column. So just track like this, or else double click on here, you can increase the size of this cell, bold, and make it these subtotals bold and these subtotals bold. So then the previous tutorials we have discussed about this applying the currency symbols. So the similar ways you can apply the currency symbols here. Okay, so like this way you can complete the practical number 4.